Hey everybody, it's Emily and Tiny Arm, and this is Emmylou Arts. And today I am just back to show you guys some of my journaling from Sunday, February 23rd, and Monday the 24th. So we're cruising right along in this year 2020. So let's do it. Get out your stuff and let's just art for a little while. Pardon me, but I am about to seem extremely elderly, but where is the time going? I can't wrap my fingers around it. It is slipping away like sands through the hourglass of time. Oh, Lord. So anyways, I didn't have time to show you guys my journaling on Saturday because it was crazy. It was just crazy. And Sunday and Monday, let's see. Sunday we had a Girl Scout cookie booth.
Put your words into the video, Emily. Please focus.
We had a Girl Scout cookie booth, and it was so beautiful outside that we actually got to do it outside. In February, it was like 56 degrees, and it was incredible. So I put the little spring pictures on there, and then I had we were kind of in the sunshine, so all the girls had their little sunglasses on, and it was just so cute. So I just put a picture of the booth and the little spring flowers, because it certainly gave us a little bit of hope for spring in this long, dreadful time. So I am just flipping through my sticker book, pulling out things that spark, something, and I think could apply. And one of you wanted to know what my sticker books, my sticker binders said, and they are a complete mess. They used to be organized somewhat, but now they are just a complete and utter shit show. So I'm hoping to address that sometime. It might be 2025 when I get to it, but we'll get there. So anyways, the tabs on the binder is what I'm going to show you. It is, let's see, Alpha and Words, Flakes, which is Sticker Flakes, Japanese, which is like when I only had a few kind of like Japanese and Korean stickers, Boxes and Arrows, Kids stickers, Seasonal, and then these sticker books that I had by American Crafts. And then the blue one is my planner stickers, and it has tabs, quarter boxes, icons, date dots. I had a tab for Shine Sticker Studio, and then Workout and Seasonal. And then I got too much Shine Sticker Studio stuff, so I put a lot of that in this little accordion folder, because that was where all my planner stickers were going to be. And then I realized that I had forgotten about these two sticker books that I had put in there. So yay, yay for surprise stickers. And let's see, that little arrow up on the top and the little bee girl that looks super angry. I thought that was funny because I was so proud of myself, because I thought all of the cookie counts were right, because all of the stuff for the booth has been in my living room. And I was like,
damn, Emily, you are on fire. Everything is right.
And then when we got to the booth, we discovered that there was a random box of cookies on the bottom of the pile that messed up all the counts. So there you go. So I put in the Sometimes Life is a Greasy Butthole sticker, because the video that I posted on Sunday, in which we are donating all of the profits to the Just Put a Heart on It stuff to my friend Becca, and I explained to you guys what was happening, and so that is the biggest greasy butthole of all time. So it called for that sticker, but we are putting a heart on it, and that's where that big pink heart came from, and those were actually from Pam. She sent those to me a couple weeks ago because her heart is as big as Texas, and so yeah, that's what we're doing. And I'll talk more about that later, but everything will be linked below also again. Let's see, Saturday night when I was working, Michael took the kids to an arcade, and they played for like 2 hours and ended up getting like 3,000 tickets, and Addie picked out this giant, I think it's terrifying, but she is in love with it, giant stuffed pickle. She's obsessed with pickles. She loves pickles. She names everything pickles. And it was perfect, I guess. And then Henry picked out a tiger lamp that lights up and is like multicolored. I tell ya, they've upped their game in the prize department, but this pickle gives me nightmares, but she loves it. She did say there was the option of a baby pickle that was pink and said baby pickle. I would have chosen that one, but for some reason she loved the mustachioed Mr. Pickle. I think it stares at you, but that's just me. They went to Denny's. They had chocolate chip pancakes. It was a great night for my kids and my husband. So I wanted to throw that in there because I didn't have that journaled for Saturday because it happened after I went to work. So that's the beauty of a tip-in, that you can add whatever your heart desires to your journal and you never run out of room. It will fatten up your journal, and we are approaching that situation very quickly. So that's the warning that I will put on it, but it is fun and you don't miss out on capturing any of the lovely memories or the crappy ones. So I was just journaling about how we had the cookie booth, and then posting the video about Becca, and I had put in that little piece of collage about the girl opening the door, and it had just been on my heart. It kind of hit me like a ton of bricks. Like, I was just feeling so helpless, and I thought, I just want to put a heart on it. And then I thought, this is the situation where we put hearts on it. So just wanted to do it and asked you guys for help. And I was floored by how you showed up. You guys just showed up. And I am so, so grateful. And so is Becca and all of our NICU family. So I can't say thank you enough, you guys. It's so important to us, and it's just what it is, I guess. If you want to buy, just put a heart on it merchandise. The store will be linked down below. All that profit is going to Becca and her family directly. And if you want to make a direct donation, I do have now her PayPal and her a Venmo linked that has been opened. So there is that. You guys are just, you're everything. You are amazing. So thank you. I am sticking a sticker on it, that tip in, that says Weekend Life. And that was Sunday pretty much. And then Monday, I was scheduled to have a skills day at work. And I had been wrestling. You guys showed up so big on Sunday, and we had already made like $700. And I thought, I was hesitant to share it with the people that I work with, just because I did not want to feel like I was pushing my own agenda, like it was self-serving in any way whatsoever, because that would just kill me. I just, no, it's not about me at all. And it just happened to come out that way to explain it to you guys. But I just thought, this is bigger than me. It's not about me. So maybe they will want it. And it just blew up. It blew up on Monday, and my unit, it's just become our battle cry. And that's why I put in the shirts. We've all just embraced it, and it's like a movement now. We are just putting a heart on it for Becca, and for not just, this money is going to her, but I want all of you to know that it's for you too. Like, I have gotten so many stories of what's going on in your lives and how you're affected by cancer and everything in your comments, and we can all do this. We can all put a heart on it. And while this is going to her, if you have this stuff, maybe it'll remind you that while life can be a greasy butthole, let's put our hearts on it, and maybe it'll help. So that's just kind of what it became on Monday. And so I was so busy trying to keep up with getting stuff in the shop, and I loved that piece of collage because it came out of a Real Simple magazine, the hourglass, and I just thought, like, that's what's so scary about cancer is just the uncertainty, and we just don't know time, we don't know what's happening, but all we can do is pour hearts on it. We can pour our love on it, and that's what we can do. And that's what I thought was the perfect picture. And so I wrote to myself, fight the fear of uncertainty with love and prayer. And that is what we are doing. And so, and those little coins, that was also a piece of collage from a Real Simple magazine. And it was perfect because we're making some coin for Becca and for her daughter and her husband. And it's just, thank you guys. And then we're adding hearts. We are adding hearts. And then let's see. I think that's all for Sunday. Saturday, I was just journaling about everything that I had to do on Saturday, and that's when I initially launched the store. And then it just transpired over the day that I just kept thinking about what we could do, and it just hit me. So the big sleeping taco was an illustration that Addie gave me a couple weeks ago, and I thought it was perfect. And that's how I've been feeling, sleepy. I'm a sleepy taco. And so we're just doing the best we can. And I thank you guys from the bottom of my hearts for everything. Have a good one. I will see you soon. Bye.